How's that look?
Yeah, so not great. Look at this low back. A lot of people say they have low back issues when they squat. Well, if you're hyperextending through the low back, these joints, they're not gonna thank you very much. So what we can do instead is, give me this bar. We're gonna learn how to neutralize it. So she's gonna reach back, we're gonna hold it, and we're gonna try to keep 3 points of contact: tailbone, mid-back, and head, okay? And we don't want an excessive curve to be created through here. So keeping the bar in contact, we're gonna practice squatting with this. So we're gonna go ahead and go through the squat motion. There we go. Now we're forced to keep a more rigid, more neutral lumbar spine throughout this movement. Do a couple more reps for me. And this is important for breathing purposes, for spine stabilization purposes, and all those things. If you don't struggle with this, no big deal, but we want to be more rigid. So now we can get rid of the bar. I'll rack it for you. There we go. Get back into your squat routine and now retest after and make sure you're improving in those motions.